So now we're going underneath and check out everything. Drag linkage and everything is good there. Make sure there's no leaking on the oil pan. If you have a leak, you want to look into places like right here by the clamps to see if you have the soot and all that coming out. You want to check for fuel leaks. Make sure your bands are going to be good and tight. Everything is there. You don't have any fuel seepage. Same over here. You want to make sure that you don't have any leaks in your airbags and your airbags are inflated. Checking down by the reefer unit, make sure there's caps on and make sure there's no fuel leakage there. Looking at the airbags, make sure they're inflated. You also want to make sure that you have fire extinguisher in triangles. Some states will have you open a triangle box to make sure they count 3 of them, because there must be 3. Fire extinguisher has to be full. Minimum of, I think, 5 is the number on those. 1, 2, 3. Hey, this is Dan with Great Plains Transport. Thanks for watching the Level 1 inspection.